Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. Now, subtraction. In your last class, two properties over, Amma. And let's see remaining properties. Now, property 3. If a is any whole number other than 0, then a minus 0 is equal to a. But 0 minus a is not defined. What is it? Let's see. Now, one example, Amma. 15 minus 0 is equal to, you get 15. But 0 minus 15 is not possible. So 15 nunchi 0 subtract aithe you get 15. But 0 nunchi 15, it's a not subtract. It's not possible. Okay, that is the property 3. Now next to property 4, Amma. In a property 4, the subtraction of whole number is not associative. That is, if A, B, C are 3 whole numbers, then in general A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. This both equal like that is the associative property. That is the associative. But this associative not for subtraction, only that for addition. Okay, let's see. Example, here 20 minus 15 minus 3. You get 20 minus 12, you get 8. But 20 minus 15, you get 5. Now minus 3, you get 2. This both answers is not equal. Like this. This both answers is not equal. 20 minus 15 minus 3. Now first 20 minus 15 minus 3, you get 12. So you get answer is 8. Now here 20 minus 15 minus 3. Now 20 minus 15, you get 5. So minus 3, you get 2. This both answer equal. That is the associative property. That is for subtraction. But here not equal, that both answers. That's why the subtraction of whole number is not associative. Okay. So please copy it all. Write down, children. Now next to one more property is there. Last one, property 5. If you are having test book, open your test book and write down, Amma. Not clear on the board. Now next one more property. Next property 5. Next property 5. This is the last property, Amma. Look at that property. Now if A, B and C are whole numbers such that A minus B is equal to C, then B plus C is equal to A. You get. Now look at that. 25 minus 8 is equal to 17. But here 8 plus 17, you get 25. That is the property 5. Okay, please copy it. Now next one amma activity. Next activity one. Subtract the following number. It's a large number of subtraction. Say large number of subtraction. First you are in that number. What is you getting number? What is that number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So what is our number? 79,569 minus 54,325. Okay, now coming from one summa 9 minus 5. Tell me children, 9 minus 5. This is 9 show on your fingers. You are removing 5 fingers. You get 4. What is our answer? 4. Next again this 6. 6 show on your fingers. 2 is removing. 2 is removing. Still 4 you get. What is our answer? 4. Next one 5 minus 3. 5 is show on your finger. You are removing 3 fingers. You get 2. So what is our answer? 2. Now next in your thousands 9 minus 4. 9 is show on your fingers. You are subtract from 4 means you are removing 4 fingers. You get 5. Next 7 minus 5. This 7 show on your fingers. You are removing here 5 fingers. You get 2. What is your answer? 25,244. 25,244. Now write down more. Now one more problem with the grouping. Oh, sorry. This is a with regrouping means with borrowing. You are taking from borrowing. Okay. Now this first number 73,826 minus 1,509. Now coming from one summa. In your one's first number is the seeds. You removing second number. That is a common method and common you follow. Okay. Now first 6. First show on our fingers 6. You are removing how many fingers? 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still you are needing 2 fingers. So what you doing, Amma? Still you want some numbers. So what you are doing? You will go from tens, Amma. From your tens you take out borrowing. Okay. You take out borrowing from tens. Near tens after borrowing 2 is a decrease. 1 subtract అయిపోతుంది. ఏ నెంబర్ ఎక్కడి నుండి అయితే నువ్వు బారోయింగ్ తీసుకుంటావో ఆ దట్ పొజిషన్ లో 1 తగ్గిపోతుంది, 1 నెంబర్ తగ్గిపోతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు 2 1 తగ్గిపోతే 2 నుంచి 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది 1 అవుతుంది. సో హియర్ ప్రజెంట్ 1. నౌ హియర్ 6. దిస్ 6 you get 16 because you are taking borrowing from tens nunchi you getting borrowing 10 borrowing తీసుకున్నావు, that 10 this 6 total you get 16 after borrowing. This is a kept in your mind. After borrowing this 2 is a decrease 1 means 2 అనేది తగ్గిపోతుంది. 2 నుంచి 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. in every time in a taking borrowing that position decrease 1. So 2 is a 1 after getting here 10 because you are taking borrowing how much amma 10 numbers you taking borrowing from another number. So after borrowing you get 10 plus 6 you get in 16. Now you doing subtraction. Now 16 minus 8. So 16 minus 8. Here you counting from second number to you reach 60 first number. Second number after nunchi you count chestu first number reach kavali. So second number is what 8. 8 after counting amma 8 after what comes 8 after 9 10 when up to ekkada varaku count cheyali 16 varaku count cheyali. 8 after నుంచి 16 వరకు you count it. Okay, 8 after 9, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, now 16. So you reach 16 as now you are getting how many fingers total? Again you count it. You getting how many fingers? 8 fingers. You getting 8 fingers. So what is your answer, Amma? 8. You get a 8. So that you should write in a 1's 8. Now coming from tens, here 1 minus 0, you get 1. Now 8 minus 5. Again count it. 8 minus 5. 8 after 6, 7, 8. So you get 3. Here write down 3. Next 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 1 after 2, 3. You only here getting 2 numbers. Here any number is there? No. Only here 7 is there. You should write up 7. So what is our number? 72,318. You can understand how to taking borrowing and how to subtract. Now please copy it, Amma. Now today your homework activity 1 doing your textbook. Doing your textbook activity 1, Amma. Total activity 1. In activity 1 18 problems are there. That do all 18 problems and post it up. Now one more problem, that is doing your class work. Okay, this is a homework problem. This is doing your class work. And activity 1 doing your textbook. Total 18 problems. Okay, first bit homework. Okay, ma. Now thank you, children.